Hi, welcome to Lazy Days channel. I cover all things here.
Join me as I take on the challenge of figuring out when to change my car tires, how to choose the right ones, and even attempt to fix a flat myself. In this video, you'll learn when to change your car tires, how to choose the right ones, and tips for reading tire specifications and fixing common issues. Many drivers neglect tire maintenance, leading to safety risks and increased costs. Understanding when and how to change tires is crucial for every car owner. Ignoring tire wear can lead to accidents, and it's not just about safety. Worn-out tires can decrease your fuel efficiency and even affect your car's performance. Tire maintenance is an essential aspect of car ownership, and it's often overlooked until it's too late. By knowing when to change your tires, you can save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and most importantly, stay safe on the road. Regular tire checks can help you identify potential issues before they become major problems. It's surprising how many people wait until they experience a flat tire or notice significant wear before taking action. But why wait until then? By being proactive, you can extend the life of your tires and avoid costly repairs. So, let's dive into the signs that indicate it's time to change your tires. Explore the signs that indicate it's time to change your tires. Discuss how to select the right tires based on your driving habits and vehicle type. Basic tire repairs and maintenance. One of the most obvious signs of tire wear is the penny test. If you insert a penny into the tire groove with Lincoln's head facing down and you can see the top of his head, it's time to replace your tires. Another sign is uneven wear. If you notice your tires are wearing down more on one side than the other, it may be a sign of incorrect tire pressure or misaligned wheels. And then there's the age-old issue of tread depth. If your tread is worn down to 1/16 of an inch or less, it's time to replace your tires. When selecting the right tires for your vehicle, consider your driving habits. Do you drive aggressively, or do you mostly cruise around town? Do you live in an area with harsh winters or mild weather year-round? These factors will help you determine the right type of tire for your needs. And when it comes to reading tire specifications, it's essential to understand the different components: the tire size, load rating, speed rating, and tread wear rating. It may seem like a lot to take in, but once you understand what each component means, you'll be able to choose the right tires for your vehicle. The key takeaway is that recognizing the signs of tire wear and understanding tire specifications can save you money and enhance your safety on the road. By staying on top of tire maintenance, you can avoid costly repairs, reduce your environmental impact, and stay safe on the road. It's not just about extending the life of your tires, it's about being responsible and proactive as a car owner. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way in saving you money and stress in the long run. Additionally, by knowing how to read tire specifications, you can make informed decisions when it comes to purchasing new tires. You'll be able to identify high-quality tires that meet your needs, and you won't be fooled by fancy marketing gimmicks. And when it comes to basic tire repairs, knowing how to fix a flat or plug a tire can save you money and get you back on the road quickly. It's not just about being self-sufficient, it's about being prepared for any situation that may arise. The key is to stay proactive and take control of your tire maintenance. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy a smoother, safer ride and avoid costly repairs down the line. And remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in extending the life of your tires and your vehicle as a whole. To recap, always check your tires for wear and tear, choose the right type for your needs, and don't hesitate to fix minor issues yourself to prolong their life. If you found this information helpful, make sure to check out our other videos on car maintenance and leave your questions or tips in the comments below.
Thank you for dropping by. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoy it all.